Understanding CSV files and their challenges.
CSV files are widely used for storing and exchanging tabular data. However, real-world CSV files often contain messy or inconsistent data, including missing values, extra columns, duplicates, or formatting errors. Cleaning and organizing this data is crucial before any analysis can be performed. Python is a popular choice due to its powerful libraries that make handling CSVs straightforward and efficient.
Reading CSV data with Python.
To start, you'll need to read your CSV file into Python. The pandas library is commonly used for this purpose. Use the pandas function readCSV to load your data into a data frame. This data frame acts like a powerful spreadsheet, letting you view, analyze, and modify your CSV data directly within Python code.
Cleaning the data, handling missing values and duplicates.
Data cleaning typically involves finding and fixing missing values and removing duplicate records. With pandas, you can use functions like drop_na to remove rows with missing data, or fill_na to replace them with default values. The drop duplicates function can quickly remove redundant rows, helping ensure your data is accurate and reliable for further analysis.
Organizing and sorting your data.
After cleaning, you may want to organize your data for better readability or analysis. Use pandas sort values function to sort by any column, such as by date or numerical value. You can also rearrange or select specific columns and filter rows using conditional logic, making it easy to focus on the information most relevant to your project.
Saving the cleaned and organized data.
Once your data is clean and organized, you'll likely want to save it for future use. With pandas, the toCSV function quickly writes your clean data frame back to a CSV file. This ensures all your improvements are safely stored. The new CSV can then be used for analysis, reporting, or sharing with others. Confident the data is now tidy and well structured.